Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about planting seeds by the end of January to achieve an early harvest. As we all know, starting seeds at the right time is crucial for a successful harvest. So let's dive into the details of planting and how to get the best results. First, let's talk about the ideal time to plant seeds. The best time to plant seeds is between late winter and early spring. This is because it is during this time that the soil is warm and moist and the weather is mild, allowing the seeds to germinate easily. Now, let's discuss the types of plants you can sow by the end of January. Here are a few examples. 1. Vegetables such as carrots, beets, cauliflower, radishes, and lettuce. These plants are ready to harvest in about 60–90 days, depending on the type. 2. Flowers. This is a great time to sow seeds for spring blooms, such as pansies, petunias, and daisies. These will be ready to harvest in about 80–100 days. 3. Herbs. Sow seeds for basil, cilantro, parsley, and mint. These will be ready to harvest in about 50–80 days. To sow seeds, you'll need to follow these simpler steps. 1. Choose a seed packet or seedling starter pack that corresponds to the plant you're growing. Make sure to read the instructions carefully. 2. Follow the instructions for planting your chosen seeds. This may involve soaking the seeds in water for a certain amount of time or mixing them with a soil-based seedling fertilizer. 3. Plant your seeds according to the recommended spacing and depth. 4. Water your seeds regularly, making sure the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. 5. Keep the area warm and well lit, ensuring that the seeds receive enough sunlight to germinate. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful early harvest. Happy planting!